Craft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this U-part coily beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful U-part coily wig. This wig is from Eayon hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. So this time, in order to match my 4C natural hair with this coily weave, I decided to go the wet route. I decided to wet my hair a little bit and use the hair mousse, the hair oil and edge control to lay it like this. I absolutely love, like seriously, if I want to wear this U-part wig, this is the way I'm going to go, because the edge control is going to keep my hair down. I just brought out a little part of my hair, just a little part, like just a little portion of my hair in front. If you want the side part, you do the same thing for the side part. And then I just use my edge control and oil and leave-in conditioner and all that to blend it with the weave, which I think it looks very, very beautiful. And I think I can keep this for a whole day without having any issue with it. Or if you don't want to wet your natural hair, I think you can do the twist out. You can twist it like a night before, then the next day you unravel the twist and try to see if you can blend it with the weave. So as for this way, I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging of the hair looks like.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the coils are very, very beautiful, and it came with this band attached to it.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. If you want to do a side pattern, you just do a side pattern cornrow, but I'm doing the middle part.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Before installing the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water on it and then comb it out with my hands, my fingers. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my cancer leave-in conditioners. I'm just trying to, moisturize the coils of this wig as much as I can.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
waiting in the middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair mousse on my hair, trying to blend it with the wig. So right here, I'm just gonna apply my shine and jam on my hair to slick it down, at least to try to make it blend with the wig. Go ahead and tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry. And after like 5-10 minutes, I'm gonna take out the scarf and you guys can see what it looks like. It looks really nice. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love the way this wig turns out. It's absolutely beautiful and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.